Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a home furnace repair service website. The website builder that we'll be using is Wix, and the reason why I recommend Wix is because it is beginner friendly. You can get started for completely free. In fact, you don't even need a credit card to sign up, and they provide templates which makes it quite easy for a complete beginner to create a stunning, professional looking website. So you're going to go on to Wix.com, then tap on Get Started. From there, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can choose to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you are signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. On this dashboard, you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. From here, I want you to tap on Build on Wix Editor. After selecting Build on the Wix editor, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to type in Home Furnace Repair Service, and you can see it right there, and you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to fill in your business name. Then you can also fill in your business address and tap on Continue. Then you could fill in your working hours. So for example, let's say 5 days per week, and we'll be open from, let's say, 9 a.m. and we'll close shop at 7 p.m. and we're going to tap on Continue. After doing that, you can see some sample services that Wix recommends for this particular example. So you can select whichever one of these options would best suits you. And if you don't see a service that you would like to offer, you can simply tap on Create New Service, then enter the service name as you can see right there and tap on Save. Now, once you have added in the services that you would like to offer, you're going to tap on Continue. Then you could enter your staff member's name and email address. After entering this information, you will tap on Continue once more. And if you plan on accepting payments online or in person, you can select Accept in person or you can accept online. Then you will tap on Continue. Then select Continue once more. After selecting Continue once more, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, what I want you to do first is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you're going to hover over Catalog and you're going to select Booking Services. After selecting Booking Services, from here you can see the services that you have added, and you're going to tap on the pencil icon which says Edit, and from there you could change the cover image if you want, change the service name, and you can also add in a description and change the duration as you can see right here. After making the changes that you want, you could also change the buffer time. So you could add a buffer time, and you can scroll down and you can choose whether it is per session with a plan, and you can also set up whether it is fixed price, varied price, or custom price. And you could enter in the price that you would like to charge. And if you have more than one staff members, you could assign this particular service to a staff member in this section. Then tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. After you have saved the changes, you will go over to the top left hand corner once more, and you're going to hover over Getting Paid. Then from there you can tap on Connect Payment Method, and you can select any one of these payment options. Keep in mind that it varies depending on the country you're located in. So for example, I'm located in Jamaica, so I'll be able to offer TiloPay and PayPal. But if I were to change my location to, for example, let's say United States, so let's do that real quick, you'll realize that I'm now presented with a whole different list of payment options. So as I said earlier, it all depends where you're located. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner. Then select Design Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Design Site, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, From here, you can choose whichever one of these templates best describes your needs. So you can see right here, you can scroll down and select whichever one. And if you don't see any that you like, you could tap on all templates and you could view all of them. But for example's sake, let's say we were to select this one. So I'll tap on edit. After selecting edit, you'll be redirected to the Wix editor page. Just give it a few seconds while it loads up as it is composing our website in the background. So you can see the website here. You could tap on the box and you could enter in some information and the Wix AI would compose content for your website. But for now, we'll just close the box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then you can start editing your website. To edit your website is quite straightforward. For example, we can change the name right here by simply hovering over the header, tapping on quick edit. Then you could change the vector art by tapping on change. Beside the vector art, you could also change the name right here. For example, instead of it saying Dr. Repair Author Center, so I'll change it to Dr. Repair Furnace. So I'll just type in furnace right here. Then you can tap on the X and the change will be saved, as you can see right there. And to change the picture, you could hover over the pic, tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner, then tap on change from the right hand menu option and select image. After selecting image, you could choose to upload an image by tapping on upload media in the top left hand corner, or I'll just type in furnace right here and see what Wix comes up with. So let's say I were to type in furnace. You can be provided with some copyright free images. So let's say this one, and we'll tap on change background, and you can see right there that it has now taken effect. And you can continue editing it by simply tapping on any section you would like to change, and you can make the changes on the right hand menu option. Once you're finished, you can tap on home in the top left hand corner and you can see all of the pages that are currently on your website. And if it is a case that you would like to delete or add a page, you can select pages and menu from the top left hand corner, the third icon. Then you can see the pages. Let's say we would like to remove the insurance page. You will tap on the three dots. Then you could tap on delete. Then select delete once more. And the page has been removed. To add a page, you will tap on add page. Then you can see all the pages and you can select the page that you would like to add. Once you're finished, if you would like to add elements, so for example a text to a particular section, music, video, anything at all, you will tap on the plus in the top left hand corner and you can simply drag and place the element. Then you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner to preview how your website looks, and to save it and publish it, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.